So, Mom is currently home right now, where she's just pulled up into the driveway. And this is what happens when I wound this one up, or when she comes home. So here we go. Chloe! Who's here? Who's here? What? What? Mom coming? Where is she? Where is she? Chloe! Where's Mom? What? Uh-oh. Who's coming? Who's coming? They're coming. What? Who's here? Who's here? That's Harley whimpering. Who's here? Chloe, you look so happy. Who's coming? What? Tell me. Tell me. Who's here? Who's coming? There she is.
Is she eating you?
Wanna give her a bone?
Huh?
Give her a bone or no?
Well, now you say it. Now she'll want one. Okay, you give her one. I sent all that paperwork today.
Okay.
You wanna follow me? Come on.
Come here. Come here. Now this one doesn't always like to take it nice. Take it nice. Good girl. I love this dog.